What do you think of when you first see this dazzling dial? Is it fireworks of a summer's day, or the sparkle of a diamond's luster? So how does such a gorgeous dial come to be? Hammer pattern, originating from the ancient Chinese gold and silverware, is a hammering process in which the hammer or chisel in the surface of the object repeatedly hammered and producing a hammering between the craftsmen need to have precise control of the strength and aesthetics of the manufacturing can be accomplished through this ever-changing fine texture. Lucky Harvey has achieved mass production using a stamped hammer process while restoring the visual effect of hand hammer. Let's take a closer look at the charms of the real watch. The strap is inspired by a tortoise shell, and is carefully crafted into a durable and sturdy tortoise shell link strap crafted from 316 liters material, polished and brushed to emit a luxurious sheen. The integrated design takes into account ergonomics, fitting snugly on the wrist for comfortable and secure wear. Under different lighting conditions, the undulations on the hammer dial will present delicate three-dimensional dark patterns and metallic luster, which has a low-key and luxurious beauty without the need for diamond inlays. The concentric circle hammer design also naturally reminds people of the texture of craftsmanship. Hammers strike the gongs to give out a pleasant chiming jade sound every full hour. Chiming watches come equipped with a switch for muting the chimes. You could manually select between chiming and silent modes using a button located at 5 o'clock. The big date window is set at 12 o'clock, and the buttons are buttery and clearly visible. There are only 300 of each color, and each watch has a unique limited edition number engraved on the back cover of the watch and carved with our unique jade chime sound wave pattern. The watch has a diameter of 40 mm and a thickness of only 11.95 mm. Equipped with our independently developed LH003 movement, it vibrates 28,800 times per hour, has a power reserve of up to 40 hours, and a daily error of no more than 20 seconds per day.